Are you ready for a treat that feels like a warm hug? Today, we're baking the most delightful soft apple cookies. They're perfect for little hands, big appetites, and anyone who loves a comforting bite. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab half a cup of unsalted butter, softened, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 medium apple, peeled, cored, and finely diced. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Set this aside. In a larger bowl, cream together the softened butter with both sugars until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. This is where the magic starts. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in your finely diced apple pieces. The aroma is already incredible. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Give them a little space to spread. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden and the centers are still soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. These soft apple cookies are wonderfully moist and bursting with flavor. They're an ideal snack, a lovely dessert, or a sweet surprise in any lunchbox. Share these warm, comforting treats with your loved ones. They're sure to bring smiles and cozy moments. Happy baking, everyone.